Hello tech lovers, I welcome you to my channel. In today's video, it's a special video and I want to say thank you to YouTube. No matter what you're doing, just keep going, keep doing it, okay? One day you will be recognized and I will just say do not give up, okay? So in this video, YouTube sent me my Christmas gift, and this is the first time I will ever collect a gift from YouTube. So it's actually an unusual video and I'm going to be unboxing it right now for us to see it, okay? My name is Bumi and I'm a digital marketing consultant. This video, if you want to learn about online marketing, then this video is yours. You can watch others of my videos, okay? So without any further ado, let's just move straight to the main unboxing for today. Cheers. So guys, this is my gift from YouTube and I'm gonna be unboxing it for us to see. Let's see what's inside, okay? YouTube has given me my confidence, okay, because this lady right here used to be a very shy girl, but I just thank God for YouTube. YouTube brought out my talents, and I'm glad and I'm happy to be a YouTuber. So now I've opened my box, as you can see, and the thing I got there is here. I'm going to be reading it to us. It says YouTube Shorts. If you don't know, I would encourage us to be posting at least twice a day, twice in a week for YouTube Shorts. That's all the short videos. You can always bring it out or script it out from your long videos, okay? Because from next year YouTube is going to monetize YouTube Shorts, okay? And you don't want to be left aside, okay? So now I'm going to read this one. Hey creators, thank you for being part of the YouTube Shorts creator community. Come join us in a global moment by showing us your styles and sharing your stories with all amazing fellow content with what is in my bag. That's hashtag. We look forward to seeing your creation, okay? And YouTube, thank you. I really appreciate this, YouTube. I know that a lot is coming up in 2023. I know my channel is going places. I say amen to that. So now this is it. Oh my god, YouTube just knows how to spoil somebody. Can you see? This is art. And can you see? Oh. And you can actually turn it to wear it like this. And as you can see, YouTube Shorts, and like this. Like this. Do you like it? Do you love it? I'm so loving it. Okay? And guess what there? This, I think, water bottle. And it says Chew Series 2. Okay? And it has, oh, YouTube just knows how to spoil somebody. Oh my god. I'm so happy. I will be taking this to my place of work, and you know, I have a water bottle like this, but this is so special to me, and I'm going to be taking it to work anywhere I go to, even in the car, everywhere I go to. I'm going to hold this with me. YouTube, thank you so much. What do you think about this art? If you want to be a YouTuber and you're watching this and you're saying, oh, I'm shy, I would just encourage you to just do what? Just start. The sky is your limit. I started from zero. Even if there are not a lot of views right now, I pray that millions of people I'm still going to testify millions of people watching my channel, okay? If you are watching this, subscribe to this channel, okay? Please, what are you waiting for? Tell me, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like this video, and please always share out my videos. Let other people know about this channel, okay? Please. Thank you. I'm begging. So this is it. YouTube gave me this. And guess what? This is also, this is a blanket, I guess. Can we bring it out? See, it has a lock. So nobody can steal this, you know? Just joking. Oh. So, should I remove this now? Yes, I will remove it. Some videos. This is actually a blanket from YouTube, as you can see. Can you see that? And this is winter season. It's so cold here where I am. Let me put this down. What do you think, guys? What do you think? I'm so loving this. Okay? And guess what? It says YouTube Shorts, and you can turn it around. I think I'm going to sleep with this tonight. It's so cushy. Okay? And oh my god, this is so cool. Guess what is here? YouTube sent me a chair. YouTube chair. Giant winter. So it's Kosuke. Thank you.